little Einstein girl. Today I'm going to read a story to you. Let's go to the first page, you guys. The fox and the goat. Interesting. One day a thirsty fox was roaming in the forest. A fox is very thirsty. Let's see what we're going to be happening. He kept walking until finally he saw a well. Do you know what is a well, you guys? A well means a big basket of water, a very big basket of water. The fox leaped into the wall of the well and started drinking water. Suddenly, he slipped and fell into the well. You guys, it's an important part. You guys, if somebody is in danger, you have to help them. It's very important. You have to remember. The well was very deep and the fox could not get out. Somebody had to help him, you guys. Oh no. A goat was passing the well. I think the goat is going to help him. The peeped inside and saw the fox. The goat asked, "What are you doing in the well?" "I came in to cool myself," said the fox. "Come on, hop in." Oh no, the fox lied to the goat. Is the goat trusting him? The goat jumped in. The goat trusts him. After a while, she asked the fox, "How will we get out?" Fox replied, "Stand on your feet and push me up. I will reach the top and get out. After that, I will get you out." The fox is going to be light. The goat did as the fox said. The fox quickly got out and ran away. You cannot trust strangers, you guys. "How will I get out?" called the goat. But the fox had already gone. Oh no. The goat is going to stay there forever. Poor goat. Oh, and the moral is, look before you leap. Now you understand the story? I understand also. Bye everybody.